Hi everyone, this is Len Rubin, leadsafemama.com, filling in for Tamara, my lovely wife, who's still in Scotland. I'm here in Portland, Oregon, and I am testing the second in a series of vintage Pyrex painted bowls today. They've been previously tested by Tamara with an XRF and found to have very high levels of lead, unsafe levels of lead, and we're going to be using the new glowing reactive agent test kit today to see how that detects lead in this painted bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the light that comes with the kit just to show you what it looks like, and you'll see various anomalies in the finish, places where there are gaps and things that seem to fluoresce, but unless it's bright green, it is not lead. And I just wanted to show you what that looks like. And same thing with the exterior surface. What's really interesting is that the light helps you to see where, quite obviously, where some of this finish has worn off. And that means microparticulate lead in your environment. Not good. Okay, so now we're going to test it with the reagent. And I'm going to spray that on. And then we're going to take a look at what kind of results we get. Let's take the lid off. There we go. That's a good one. All right. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time for this reagent to start to react and interact with the coating. So we're just going to give it a little bit before I shine the light on it. And let's take a look at what we got. Ooh, okay, so that's lighting up like a Christmas tree. That bright fluorescing green there, that is lead, and you can see it dripping down. That is very heavily leaded, and not something you want in your food environment, certainly not something you want in your home at all. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the inside as well. And Tamara has told me that she's tested thousands of these, literally. And what she's found is that the inside, just plain white glass, is also positive for lead. But it doesn't react in the, because it's not a painted surface, it doesn't react as well with this glowing test kit. So anything that we find on the inside is most likely microparticulates that have been transferred from the outside of these bowls, which were stacked. So let's see what we got here. It's very hard to get this focused. Not seeing much happening on the inside. But the action on these, of course, is on the lead paint on the outside. And that is just atrocious. So, to find out more about this, go to leadsafemama.com.